Combining innovative technology with world-leading manufacturing techniques, the Wolfen Toilet Suites are made to positively impact people's lives. Intelligently designed, relentlessly tested, and robustly engineered, this range is compliant for accessible bathrooms. With a universal S&P Trap installation, Wolfen is an easy choice for any bathroom. Created with the latest in toilet hygiene technology, the Rimless design creates a powerful flush with antibacterial features and less surface area to clean. Available in 3 different colours, the buttons are raised and have tactile flush indicators. Matching toilet seats are extremely durable and come in single or double flap configurations. Pair it with a backrest to create the perfect accessible bathroom solution for your project. It's a privilege to be able to create spaces that everyone in our communities can access. With a wide range of commercial and industrial applications, these toilet suites are built to perform in any environment. Wolfen offers an industry-leading 5-year warranty throughout the entire range, giving you confidence that Wolfen products are truly made to last. The Wolfen Toilet Range, a full suite of options. Speak to your local Reece consultant or trade counter hand about how the Wolfen Toilet Range can create a compliant bathroom solution for you.